You said sorry. You changed. But somehow it keeps coming back up. And you're starting to wonder if it ever actually goes away. Because you've done the work, you've shown up differently, and still, somehow, the thing you did or said or didn't say walks back into the room. Maybe it comes up in an argument that started about something completely different. Maybe it's a comment that lands just a little too sharp. Maybe it's just a look, but you feel it, that quiet message underneath everything. I haven't forgotten. And so you apologize again, you explain again, you try to prove again that you're not that person anymore. And even when things settle, part of you is already waiting for it to come back up, because it always does. That weight you're carrying, it has a name, and it's not yours to carry alone. And here's what I want you to do with that weight. Just for a moment, I want you to set it down. Stop. Not because what happened didn't matter. It did. But because what's happening right now, this cycle of apologizing and proving and never quite feeling forgiven, that's not repair. That's scorekeeping. And scorekeeping sounds like every mistake gets stored somewhere, filed away, and brought back out whenever things get tense. You're not imagining it, and you're not crazy for feeling like you can never win. And that's exactly why we have to regulate this. Here's what this feels like from the inside. No matter what you do, it's never enough to erase what you did. And here's something I really need you to sit with for a second. Sometimes, the person keeping score, they're not doing it to punish you. Something between you two just never fully healed. The hurt is still open. An unresolved hurt has a way of turning into a running tab. That's not an excuse for the pattern, but it might be the key to understanding it. So let's rebuild. Rebuilding here isn't about defending yourself. It's not about making your case or proving the record wrong. It's about opening a door. Try saying something like this: I know this keeps coming up, and I don't want to brush past it. Can we talk about what you're still needing from me? Because I'm not trying to win. I'm trying to actually get to the other side of this with you. That's not weakness. That's not you erasing your own boundaries. That's you holding the relationship and yourself at the same time. And that takes real courage. Pause. Repeated apologies were never the cure. And this was never about whether you're a good person. Some hurts just need more than an apology to fully close. You can start closing the gap today. You've been carrying this for a while. Here's what you can do today to make a change. Stop. The next time something from the past gets brought up, pause before you defend. Just notice what's happening. That pattern has a name. It's called scorekeeping. And naming it is the first place everything starts to change. Regulate. If you've ever thought, no matter what I do, it's never enough to erase what I did, that feeling is real. But here's what's also true. Sometimes the person keeping score isn't trying to punish you. There's just a hurt between you two that never fully closed. And when you can hold that understanding, you can finally stop measuring your worth by whether they've healed yet. So the next time it comes up, instead of defending, come back to yourself and say, I have shown up. I have changed. I can't force someone else's healing, but I can stay grounded in who I'm becoming. Rebuild. Open that door, and if you don't know how to start, try saying something like this: I know this keeps coming up, and I don't want to brush past it. Can we talk about what you're still needing from me? Because I'm not trying to win. I'm trying to actually get to the other side of this with you. You're not a lost cause. You're not someone who can never be forgiven. You're someone who's still trying, and that's exactly where change begins. That's secure. The stop, regulate, and rebuild framework isn't about being perfect. It's about being willing to pause, come back, and try again. Secure communication isn't something people are born knowing, it's something they practice, one conversation at a time. And now, you have somewhere to start. Just by being here, you're already doing the work. And that's not small, that's secure. If this resonated, like this video, leave a comment below with what landed most for you, and subscribe so we can keep doing this work together. Real growth and transformation happens one shift at a time. And if someone in your life needs this today, share it with them. That's how we turn conflict into connection together. We built something that walks right alongside you. Take it at your own pace. It's yours whenever you're ready. Free link in the bio. Play gently, learn boldly. Bye for now.